This video will help you set up your myQ-enabled garage door with your compatible Kia vehicle. Conveniently manage and control your garage door remotely through your Kia touchscreen display. Use personalized features like intelligent geofence technology that automatically opens and closes your garage door as you come and go. Before you get started, you'll need a compatible Kia vehicle, an active Kia owner's account, a myQ-enabled garage door opener, the Kia Access mobile app, and the myQ Garage and Access Control mobile app with active account. The mobile apps can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. On your vehicle's touchscreen display, navigate to the Connected Garage app. Using your phone, scan the QR code that pops up on your vehicle's touchscreen display. The Kia Access app will automatically launch and take you to Link Account. Then, the myQ mobile app will automatically launch to complete the account linking. Once accounts are linked, the Kia Access mobile app will relaunch. Select Activate Free Trial. On your vehicle's touchscreen, launch the Connected Garage app. Any garage door openers connected to your account will be displayed on the touchscreen display inside the Connected Garage app. For additional support and troubleshooting, tap the 3-line settings button. Access and update your garage door opener settings through the Vehicle Connected Garage app. Only one garage can be set as default at a time. The default garage appears in the first position if there are more than one in the list. To get the most out of your Kia myQ Connected Garage service, be sure to tap on the garage door card to enable customizable intelligent geofence technology. An intelligent geofence recognizes your vehicle's location and automatically opens or closes your garage door, helping you to never forget to close your garage door again. When you're ready to set your geofence location with recommended open and close, you'll need to be parked in your driveway, just outside of your garage. Set your garage location. Then enable Auto Open when arriving and Auto Close when leaving. For added customization, you can select your desired distance. To ensure your garage is open when you arrive, select between 25 to 300 feet, and when leaving home, select between 30 to 50 feet. For added peace of mind, when the auto close feature is interrupted and the garage door is left open, you'll get a reminder to remotely close the garage. Enjoy convenience to monitor and control your garage door, brought to you by using Kia myQ Connected Garage in your vehicle. For additional setup support, visit myQ.com/Kia.